Alright, here we are. I'm just doing a quick review on the Shark Navigator Freestyle sv1106 stick vacuum. It's my first stick vacuum and I would say I'm quite impressed. I'll just go do a rundown of some of the features here. We have a free standing cordless vacuum made by Shark. It's got its docking station here. When you're not using it, you can charge it in this docking station and it will flash blue when it's charging, and then it'll just, don't be afraid to leave it on here because it'll just charge, and then when it's done, it won't, consume any energy as well. So it's a pretty good vacuum. I'm pretty impressed with its capabilities and its features. It's pretty basic, and the thing that's good about it is it doesn't have any cords or anything like that. So it's pretty good, pretty nimble, pretty good to get around. And so I'll just do a quick demonstration. I put some eggshells and some Triscuits on the ground in our wood flooring here to show you kind of how this stick vacuum by Shark works. So come on over here and we'll fire it up and I'll show you a little bit how it works. So you hit once and then it's for carpet, and then you hit twice for hardwood floor. So we'll hit twice and we'll do some work with this bad boy. All right. Alright, and we'll come over here on the carpet and I'll show you what it can do on carpet, which it's equally as impressive on carpet as it is in hardwood. So come on over. So there you have it, the Shark Navigator Freestyle sv1106 stick vacuum. Ships for about $85 on Amazon. As of this taping, it's March 20th, 2016, and Amazon Prime gets shipped to you in 2 days. Can't go wrong with this vacuum. 85 bucks. Sales tax in the state of Minnesota, so it brings you right about 90, 91 bucks. So thank you. Have a great day.